This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI tools, trading bots, and fintech innovations, make sure you subscribe. Bias in AI training data can be a silent killer for your crypto bot's performance. When the data used to train these models lacks diversity or is not representative, the AI's outputs reflect these biases, leading to skewed decisions. For instance, if the training data predominantly features bullish market conditions, the bot may struggle to adapt to bearish scenarios. According to research, over 83% of neuroimaging-based AI models were found to have significant bias risks. This isn't just a theoretical problem, it can translate into real-world financial losses and reputational damage. To combat this, it's crucial to diversify your training datasets, ensuring they include balanced representations from various market conditions and demographics. Implementing bias detection tools and conducting fairness audits can help identify and mitigate these biases early on. Remember, a well-rounded dataset is the foundation of a reliable AI model. Cleaning and pre-processing data is the unsung hero of successful AI implementation. Imagine trying to build a solid house on a shaky foundation. That's what using unclean data is like for AI. Noisy, inconsistent, or incomplete data can lead algorithms to learn incorrect patterns, resulting in inaccurate predictions. Key steps in data cleaning include handling missing values, removing duplicates, and normalizing data. For instance, string cleaning involves removing extra white spaces and fixing capitalization errors. Investing in data management tools that offer traceability and automation can streamline this process. It's also vital to document every step for reproducibility and collaborate across teams to ensure quality. By prioritizing the cleanliness and consistency of your data, you lay the groundwork for AI models that are not only accurate, but also robust and reliable. Avoiding overfitting and data leakage is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your AI models. Overfitting occurs when a model becomes too tailored to the training data, failing to generalize to new data. Data leakage, on the other hand, happens when the model inadvertently uses information from the test set during training, leading to misleadingly high performance metrics. To prevent these issues, always separate pre-processing steps for training and test sets. Use techniques like k-fold cross-validation to test your model on different data subsets, ensuring it performs consistently. Avoid creating features that introduce future data and ensure that your training and test sets are split correctly. Regularly review your features to ensure they are relevant and do not include information that wouldn't be available in real-world scenarios. By following these steps, you can build models that are both accurate and applicable. Monitoring data drift in real time is essential for sustaining the effectiveness of your AI systems. Data drift occurs when the statistical properties of input data change over time, which can degrade model performance. A prime example is the 2012 Knight Capital incident, where a software glitch due to improper monitoring led to a $440 million loss in just 45 minutes. To avoid such catastrophes, implement AI data platforms that detect data drift by comparing incoming data against a reference dataset. Techniques like statistical tests or metrics such as KL divergence can measure differences in feature distributions. Establish clear operational thresholds and automate workflows to retrain models or alert teams when drift exceeds acceptable levels. By continuously comparing live input distributions with training baselines, you can ensure your models remain accurate and reliable in dynamic environments. Data augmentation is a powerful technique to enhance your AI model's performance by artificially expanding the dataset. This approach is particularly useful in reducing overfitting and improving generalization. According to a Google AI study, data augmentation can boost the accuracy of generative AI models by 510%. For crypto trading bots, this might involve creating synthetic data that simulates various market conditions, helping the model learn more invariant features. Common techniques include rotation, flipping, and noise injection for different data types. It's crucial to apply these augmentations only to the training set, not the validation or test data, to maintain model integrity. Analyze your dataset size and diversity to balance augmentation intensity, ensuring that the augmented data accurately reflects the real-world scenarios your bot will encounter. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your AI's robustness and adaptability. Sign up for the Fintech Bot-Focused newsletter. Before you go, make sure you join the Fintech Bot-Focused newsletter. You'll get updates on new bots and AI features, strategy breakdowns, my honest takes on what's working, early looks at new automated trading tools, and you can reply with video topics you want covered. The link is in the description. Join the community and stay ahead of the automation curve. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trading, especially automated trading, involves risk. Always trade at your own risk and test everything before going live.